Come here. Hey. Big boy.
Mama wants a picture with you.
Come here.
He says stop.
Says I want to ride.
It's in the blanket.
You can't ride on it, baby.
Okay, Dad, turn it on. What in tarnation was that?
You better get off of that. You're gonna ruin it, baby. It's cool when it works. Let's turn it on. I don't know what you said. Good. There we go.
Your turn, put it in.
Oh, I got a picture of him with a sock in his mouth.
He throws his sock in.
Yay! You like that.
Yeah.
Here, just a minute, honey. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm videoing it.
Yay!
Oh, you're supposed to throw it uphill, yeah?
It sounded like a winner, though.
Yeah. Take it.
Yeah, just spit it right out.
He yells at it. That's cute.
Here. Hey.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna toss it in there?
Yeah, put it down a little one.
Put it in here, baby. Oh, yeah.
Hey. Look.
That's cool how it spits it out like that.
Oh no, you gotta stay off of it. It's gonna break it. Look, you got little car tires over here to play with.